So guys, right now, Judah, I'm gonna give me a facial mask and thing. I'm not sitting. We're ready. Babe, am I gonna be beautiful afterwards?
Sure. I'm so pretty.
I'm excited. Alright. I gotta be this way, guys, because the lighting is better that way. What you got in here?
It's prescription.
It's prescription.
So they're like gel face masks, not like actual things you gotta rip off or whatever. So it's one easy thing. Keep it on for like 10-15 minutes and then wash it off after.
This is that instant goods when you're done.
Yeah. This is secret one on.
Alright. That's how you stay fly?
You know who?
Nah, you natural, baby. Which one? Charcoal? Anyone you want to give it? Surprise me.
I did the charcoal one recently, so let's do the clay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be clayed. All clayed up.
Boot up. Oh, I forgot so it's not playing music reviews too. That sucks.
That sucks.
Okay.
Straight pampering right here. See that?
Should be letting you do this, boy.
Me?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Your big head is gonna use up a lot.
Hey, me look hot. My girlfriend's doing my makeup.
That can be arranged.
No, sir. Never.
Baby, you made me do your eyebrows one time.
I made Imani do like contour my big nose.
Yeah, I remember that too.
Yeah, but not makeup. I don't do makeup.
I need somebody to practice on.
Yeah, but my face is so clear than feel. So that I'll get
I
rid
think
of
just
it.
my eye makeup.
No, sir.
No? Look at eyeshadow.
Also, the woman in the world doing it, guys. She have to turn me in an idiot. For the.
You need to help me grow my skills. That's what you're doing.
You can practice on yourself.
No, it's not the same. I don't have no eyelids, so it's like, psh, what am I working on?
Guys, wanna think, as man all our reasons in, do you think you should let your girlfriend practice on you for makeup?
Huh?
Drop your comments, man. I disagree. You can practice on me for sex.
Come on, Joe.
You gonna say come up on your phone?
Don't.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I like getting pampered.
Babe.
You shame me.
Talk now, gosh.
I like getting pampered. Feels good. So yeah, guys, just because we don't really have much happening, or are you scared? What are you scared for? It's still me. Anyway, guys, not because we don't have much doing today. We're just staying in and, you know, doing some self-care. Is that what they call it? Self-care?
Yeah.
Self-care. And I'm just looking awesome right now. My mask is done. So let me ask you a question. When the mask is done, is it gonna be like hard, or can I peel it?
No, you just wash it off.
That's not no fun. I thought it was a peelable mask.
That's why I said it's a gel mask.
So,
like it's a quick and easy thing.
Yo. Anyway, but I'm gonna do her face really quick and get her all sorted out. I think I can do it. Simple things are the blessings.
Come on.
Let's go. You wanna video it or no?
It doesn't matter. It's still on my lip.
Guys, I did a good job. I did a great job. Ain't she pretty, you know? I did a great job.
Stephen Phillip is still on my lip.
Huh? When pictures like this.
Come on, babe.
Oh my goodness, babes.
Go, bye.
This has got to be one of my most pointless vlogs. Yo, Judah, it's like a dopey back there. What the? But we're gonna get back into some Netflix right now, and you know, while our masks, you know, dries off or whatever magical stuff it's about to do, and yeah, we just chilling.
It's fucking screenshot and shit.
Damn you, Roach. You could have lived a freaking long life, Roach. I told you not to fly with those niggas up in here. God, why did the good ones die, yo? Roach. Why couldn't it have been like an ant or a freaking caterpillar, man? Roach. Yeah, I'm just bored. Netflix went out. We're not drunk, guys. We had some Moscato from last night, and they're probably like a quarter left back, so we're just having a little bit of that. And yeah. And the Netflix is back out again.
And the movie was just getting
Maybe I can do one
nice.
called Netflix. Did you close it?
Yeah.
I didn't need to turn it off?
No, I was about it.
Why?
Because you're not about to do this.
Let me just do one for Netflix, please. Here we go. Remember the first time I met Netflix? I was lonely. And then Netflix came around, you know, and he was like, you wanna hang? I was like, all right, cool. And like, he's like, let's go buy a burger for $8.99. And I was like, all right, Netflix. And I bought a burger for $8.99. And ever from that moment, we've been hanging. And then he brought his girl called Chill. Oh, shit. When I met Netflix and Chill together, man, oh God. Why did the good die so young? Oh, my heart is tearing inside. Tastes nice. Internet! Internet!
Where's the car key? Do you want to come now? Where's the car key? Where's the car key?
It's somewhere magical. Follow me to a place where you're oh, what's that? Why not? I want to be there, baby. It's in my pocket. Are you leaving me? No, Judah, don't leave me. I can't make it and laugh without you. Anyway, I'm done with stupidness. Alright guys, so this is where we're gonna pretty much just end this pretty pointless vlog today. Well, for this segment, we just pretty much was just chilling inside. I still have the mask on, and I was laying in bed just now, and I just felt like coming outside, you know, because like it's just really relaxing. I think this is the winning point of the whole experience, just being able to look out onto the ocean, keep your feet up, and just hang in the hammock pretty much. But anyway guys, you know, for all the people who just watch the videos and support it, you know, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and we'll definitely bring you guys more videos. But remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.